Hello everybody, it's Ricky here from Rick Scale Model Dioramas. I have just completed the build for the Academy 148 scale VF-111 Sundowners USN F-4B. And on the next pages I have put on there for you some pictures of the completed build. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Hey Ricky, I see that you put your aircraft photoshopped onto a real aircraft carrier. I like it quite a lot. Thank you very much for watching that video, everyone. Really appreciate it. Why not subscribe to my channel, Rick Scale Model Dioramas. I've also got loads of other videos that you can watch of all the other builds that I've made thus far. And any new ones I do, you'll see them there also. And the next one I have on the bench is, I have to read it here, the Revell Messerschmitt BF-110 C2/C7, and that's the 132 scale. So, what are you waiting for? Go and have a look at the ones that are on there now, and I'll catch you all later. Bye all!